Hey, how's it going? I'm Turkish Coffee. Thank you very much for tuning in. This evening we're working on Jerry, which is an easy Windows machine from Hackthebox. So, as always, we start with the content review. Here you can see basically all the tools and commands we're gonna work with tonight. Um, the most important thing is this line here. Actually, there are two interesting things here, but let's say the most important is the exploitation methods. Yeah, as you know, probably watching my videos, I don't know, but um, as you know, my point is using each and every box as a lab where I can test tools and try techniques. Yeah, so my main goal is not getting root.txt. I don't care much about that, but testing things and stuff I learned from other CTF and certification and things. Yeah. So we'll see this evening. We'll see two exploitations methods, which is basically one, but in two different flavors. And then apart from some basic recon here, we're going to create the reverse shell with msfvenom. And here's here is getting spicy, yeah, because we use metasploit and hydra to brute force a login form, yeah. And again, for this box, might not be the thing is going to get us root. Actually, it's not root, but it's admin because this is Windows. But for future like engagement and things, it's very useful to see how this tool works. So last thing is my repo, which is here. You can find it at this address. You can probably Google or search for this thing in GitHub. Luckily, because of YouTube like verification things, I still can't put it in the description. So I'm very sorry for that. Hopefully next days this little thing will be fixed. Yeah. Here you can find all the commands and tools I use and all the shortcuts and things. And this is very useful. Hopefully it will grow with time, yeah, with useful things. Good. So enough talking. Let's get the IP. Let's go in Terminator and let's ping the box. All right, it's on, and as we can see, it's time to leave is indicating Windows. Yeah, IP address. Let's put it in this thing. Echo. Kelly is, and then we go from. Sorry, I have an issue with the mic. Give me a second here. Just let me put it in this position. Hopefully you can hear me good. So and then Jerry stand at 10.95. Yeah, good. Oh, mistake. Apologies. And we pipe it into IPS. Yeah, so cat IPS, and then here is let me clean it a bit. So clean IPS. Yeah, good, very good. So we'll always stay there. Yeah, so even if I forget it or I lose it, it will be there. Yeah. So good. As always, we start with nmap. I used to launch nmap in like TAC, yeah, and also like a faster one, yeah. So TAC. So let me explain this. So nmap TAC. This is gonna be This is gonna give us an output in like in 30 seconds, and it's kind of fast. The second one is scanning all the TCP ports, all the 65,535 ports. So it's gonna take a bit more. We already have some results. I just wanted to comment on hack A. Stands for aggressive, and we're gonna get some. Basically, this is SC, SV, and TACO. So we're gonna enumerate version enumerate. We're gonna do a version enumeration. We're gonna utilize the standard scripts, and we're gonna enumerate the OS of the box, right? Usually, yeah, hopefully. We already had some results, and on 8080 HTB, we have this beautiful things here, Apache Coyote. So this is all kind of 50%, so we'll take some time to run. In the meanwhile, I want to show you this thing, 10.95.8080. Yeah, this is kind of a weaponizer CLI kind of tool. And okay, so in fact, it's going to return roughly the same result. Yeah, it's kind of fun. Sometimes there are some other information depending on the box, right? Good. While this is finishing, I'm going to show you weaponizer. All right. 10.10.10.95.8080. Weaponizer is an extension. You can just find it in the as a plugin, and usually it gives us some interesting information about the website. Yeah, good. Okay, this is the only port, and so probably that's the end of the story. Yeah. So let's see. Manager app, as we all know, we got to do some credential guessing here. Yeah, because I don't know. Admin, I don't know. I'm a liar. Yeah. So I know. So you can see here there's a problem with this website. Yeah. And the problem is that it's leaking credential. Yeah. So tomcat and secret. Beautiful. So what else? Tomcat and secret. Let's try to log in. Let's try to trigger, yeah, this thing. So tomcat and secret. Oh, what happened? I may have mistyped it. Give me a second. Oh, give me a second. Give me a second. Yeah, come on. Tomcat secret. All right. So we in, and as some of you may guess and may know, this is just about uploading a reverse shell. Yeah. Here we have the extension which we must use, and we just upload it here and we deploy, and good night, buenas noches, bon nuit. So that's all? No, that's not the end of the story, because we have a few things to learn. So let me show you something. So first thing is, let's create the reverse shell we need to upload to get in. So here we can clean this, and clean or clear, I don't know. I'm not mother tongue, guys, so as you can hear. So the IP is the right one. The port is going to be at our choice, and then JSP reverse shell. JSP reverse shell. Good. Good. Okay, let's make it work. Okay, here we go. And so this thing here, yeah. Good. What else do we need, guys? We need this thing. We can put it here. RL wrap, yeah. Netcat NLVP 8200, right? And now we just upload it. Yeah. Browse. Where is it? Turkish coffee. Hackthebox Jerry. This one, yeah. Deploy. And probably we just need to click here. Where am I? And yeah, we're done. Yeah, so here we're in. And again, there's not much to learn at this point. Yeah, this is just a reverse shell. This is the payload. Yeah, this is my commenting on msfvenom. Yeah, this is the payload we utilize. Yeah, this is my IP. This is the port I opened. This is the extension. In fact, we were suggested to upload this type of extension. Yeah, here, look. Select WAR file to upload. Yeah, WAR file to deploy. Yeah, good. What else? This is the name. This is the output of the whole thing. Yeah, this is the name. Yeah, I uploaded, and I'm in. Good. This is not so like inspiring and motivating me. Yeah, this is just a reverse shell, which honestly, truth be told, this is like most of the machine, most of the engagement. There is a reverse shell somewhere. Yeah? You have to upload them or trigger a reverse shell, and then get the callback, right? So it's not so trivial actually, but anyway. Maybe you already imagined this. Yeah, good. What I want to show you again is the second way to do this. Yeah, so I found during my learnings and teachings and studies, I found another payload we can use. Yeah, which is working on Windows. So whereas the first one is targeting Apache Tomcat, the second one, this one, the one we're using now, which is very interesting, is attacking, compromising Windows. Yeah, as we know, from the previous Recon, the OS of this machine is Windows. So we're working on that. Good. msfvenom, this is the payload we're using now. This is not my IP, so I gotta fix it. 13, and then we can put 2700. Yeah, for example, you can put anything here. The extension still is a WAR file. Yeah, and and this is just the name. Yeah, and we can call rev shell. Oh my god, rev shell. What happened? When? Yeah. Hopefully there are not too many tags and things. Let's see what happens. So, let's create it, and then that's very interesting. NLVP 27. No, yeah, 27. 100, right? Good. So we have the payload here. We have the reverse shell. We can upload it. Let's upload it. First, before that, we should undeploy the other one, not to make any mess. Right? Okay, resend. Shouldn't be there. Yeah, okay, good. So we upload it, right? Yeah. Rev shell wind. No wind, but win, deploy. And here there are some, and here is getting interesting, yeah? So I forgot basically to show you something, yeah? Go. So what is a war file? Maybe we saw this already. I'm not sure. Apologies. Not that war extension. Mm. File info, let me see. Second. Okay, let's go with the first one. In software engineering, a Word file is a file used to distribute a collection of jar files, Java server pages, Java servlets, Java classes, XML, and so on. So it's a collection of things, yeah? Meaning within a .war file, there are other files, yeah? This is very interesting. Very, very, very interesting, yeah? Let me show you why. So we uploaded the shell, right? We uploaded the shell. Should be somewhere here, yeah. And to trigger it, to get the rev shell home, the callback basically, we have 3 different ways to do so. First, ls, and we do this. Look, we just learned that within the war file, there are other files, yeah? I'm not a developer, I'm not an expert of these things, but I just learned it, yeah? And to me, what counts is this one. Give me a second. So, jar, hack, ft, look. So, we need to trigger this one. We need to trigger the, I don't even know the file name here, but the .jsp part of the war file, yeah, to get the reverse shell, yeah. And we have basically 2 different ways to do so. Look, the first one is curl http, oh my god, http, and then it's 10.10.10.95.8080, and then it's, the name is this one, I guess, yes, should be this, yeah. This should be the directory. And we go here, paste, and then we go with the name. And let's see, oh, there's slash we don't need. In fact, we good. And OMI is Windows, but yeah, let's see. OMI, yeah, okay, good. We root, we admin, we not root because this is not Windows, but this is not Linux, but yeah, good. So this works. Of course, we can use another way to do so. Let's say that for some reasons curl is not working, curl this, curl that is not okay. We can also use wget. Yeah, look, we just need to trigger this specific file, yeah, in this directory to get the rev shell. And again, so we're there. let's close it. Last, we have to navigate there. Yeah, so let's remember this. Let me get this here. So if we go here, you see it's not working. Yeah, but if we go here, it's working. Look. Yeah, so basically this is the second way to bridge the machine, and we utilize curl wget and we navigate it into the shell. Yeah, not into the shell, but we navigate it into this very file within the .war file. Yeah, this is different than just, you know, triggering a directory or a file, which we usually upload, and as we have seen in many other CTF. Yeah, this is interesting, fantastic. So basically, we have seen two different reverse shells with a couple of different flavors of techniques and things. I find this useful because, again, you never know in engagements, you never know in CTF and things, so very good. But this is not the end. Yeah, this is not the end. There are two other tools I want to show you, which are absolutely, I think this part is the spiciest. Can I say the spiciest of this video? So let's clear the terminal, clear the terminal, clear the terminal. Do you remember, guys, about this? Not that word thing, but about the login form which we were presented at the beginning. Yeah, let me see if we can trigger it again somehow. I doubt that, but anyway, if you go back in the video, for sure you can see that. New private. Let me see if I can get it. 95. All right. Okay. Yeah, this thing here. Yeah. So I discovered two tools. I mean, but I use two tools to brute force this thing, just in case we are not so lucky that the page is leaking credential. You never know. Yeah? You see what I mean? Yeah. Look. So the very first one is Metasploit. Yeah. So let's just spin it up. MSF console. So I found a module which is actually brute forcing exactly that thing. Yeah, it's not a general brute force thing yet. Is brute forcing this. So look, Tomcat Manager login. It was absolutely done for that thing. So options. We have to do so. We don't have to touch most of these things. Okay, this one for sure. This is okay. This must be unset. So to unset it, in the past we used to utilize this command. Look, unset and then whatever value it is. But now we have this thing here, this new command. I just discovered it, but okay, options. Okay, it's not there. We're very lucky because we already have the like the word list. Yeah, so let me show this. Let me show this to you. Oh my god. Oh really? For real? For real? What is this name? So locate tomcat mgr and me see if we're lucky. Yeah. So I just want to show you the list. So you see password, and users. Let's begin with users first. Yeah. So cat, very simple, like 10 lines or so. Users. We know tomcat is the one. Yeah. But this is just to show you that there is this tool we can use just in other CTF or other engagement or any other thing. Yeah. Users, and then let's take a look at the passwords. Yeah. Cat. Oh, so many. Yeah. And we know it's secret. Yeah. But again, for the future, let's see for the future how this thing is working. Yeah. So set our hosts 10.10.10.95. Options again. Options. So the pass file is good. The user file is good. Stop on success. Yeah, this thing we should be set true. I guess it's true, right? Yeah. And then what else? And then maybe run. Let's see. Metasploit, this module that like the brute forcer part of modules, or I don't know how you want to call it, but using Metasploit to brute force is very, very common. Yeah. So I in some exams and some other CTF, I used it a lot, and I like it, honestly. Yeah. I just like it. It works, and yeah, it works, as you can see. So Tomcat secret, yeah, found the crat. So this is good. Let's close it. Next, we work with Hydra, yeah, and here is our fantastic command, and which of course I will post in this command and all the other in my repo. So let me just explain a bit. And this is hydra. This is the username we're going to utilize, but the username, as when it's capital, stands for like a word list, a username word list. Yeah. Okay. If you need to put like admin, you got to use TACL, but L not capital. Yeah. Then it's TACP. And this is a password list, right? This is the port. S is the port. This is the .95. This is the IP, of course, the machine's IP. HTTP GET. This is where we brute force. Okay, this is probably the part of the web application which is triggering the form, the login form. Yeah, let's see whether it works. Hopefully it works. Okay, and already found something. Yeah, so admin, this is honestly is not working. Sometimes with the hydra we have this type of like small issues, but as we know, tomcat and secret written in this way work. So very good. So this is the end of the video. Yeah, hopefully you like this. Hopefully you found it useful. To me, it's very fun in doing these videos. I learn a lot, especially in like trying and testing everything like million times, and preparing in advance, like planning these things. I really like it. So thank you again. And yeah, hopefully this is useful for someone. And I don't know. Thank you very much again. And yeah, just follow me if you like this content, and I don't know, reach out for a talk or something. Thank you very much. Have a good evening. Bye bye.